To me, engineering is about innovation, being able to create solutions with these advanced technologies that are coming up. To me is very exciting. Let's talk about metal 3D printing as an example. Being able to create complex structures that are lightweight, use less material upfront, reduces the whole carbon footprint across the life cycle of the product. Because when you take that product into a manufacturing process where you have to mass produce these same materials, all of a sudden you get that multiplier effect across its value chain. So lightweight, low carbon, complex shapes, using material only where you need it is a game changer in the equipment production space.
Innovation is one of the core culture pillars that exists alongside thinking big, acting small, and continuous learning, to name a few. But those three in particular all have a common theme, and that is to bring transformative, often disruptive ideas to the table on behalf of our customers. And so what we'll do at Quest Global is we'll aim to invest in new technologies, and we'll nurture them through proof of concepts and technology demonstrators on behalf of our customers. But we'll aim to work collaboratively again with our customers to ensure that what we're investing in is relevant to them. So we want to work with a shared technology roadmap so that we can eventually contribute to their technology objectives in future. There's no point in us investing in technologies for the sake of our own investments. We need to be making targeted investments alongside our customers.
So innovation is a key topic for Prysmian. We have new solutions such as recyclable materials that we use within our production processes, but also recycled products that we can supply to our customers that ensure that when a cable comes to the end of its life, in decades' time, we can be looking to recycle the materials out of that product and back into other processes. So we're not necessarily talking about the here and now, we're talking about what the UK, what the market, what sustainability will look like in decades' time. It's one of the key pillars in our sustainable growth to ensure that we have the right innovative new solutions, but also improvements on existing products that we can supply to support the wider business, not only within the energy business, but also within the telecommunications business as well. It's an area that we have different research and development centres around the world on. We leverage on our colleagues within different parts of our business. So we have different regional research and development centres for different products that then support the individual markets such as the UK.
At EE Technology, innovation is really part of everything we do. It's fundamental to us building a better future for the energy networks and for all the customers that are connected to those networks. It drives forward everything we build and everything that we develop, because the way that the energy networks are currently functioning is not how they're going to be able to function in the future. There are so many new technologies coming on, like electric vehicles, chargers. Becomes a major problem if every single person in the country has an electric vehicle charger. So we have to start planning now and innovating now to solve that problem before it becomes a problem.
As we look ahead to 2050, as we look ahead to that goal of being a decarbonised society, net zero carbon emissions, that's a huge challenge, made up of so many really small challenges along the way that we're going to need to solve as a society, as an industry. And innovation has been going on for several years. It's been growing and growing and growing in the sector, but the challenge is still so big. There's so much still to do to make this work for everyone in a world where the lights stay on, it's reliable, it's low cost, so that everyone has access to electricity as a fundamental part of their daily lives. Within Visnet Modelling, we've got a whole range of people, but mostly fall into two camps. There's people who have a great expertise in developing software and software products, and these are the tools and services that we provide to network operator companies. But there's also the people who have the engineering, the science, the maths backgrounds, who really dig into the detail and make sure that we know what it is that we're doing, that we're providing the right answers based on the physics of what's going on. And we bring these two sets of experience together into a team to be able to serve a wide range of uses in the modelling space.